Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make a pair of earrings using this chandelier connector, metal beads, different beads, coral and turquoise beads, and findings. I will use some fishhook ear wires for my earrings, some eye pins, and of course some charms. I will begin to create the first earring, and I will show you step by step how to make this earring. First of all, I will take the chandelier and I will connect the fishhook ear wire to the chandelier, like this. In order to do that, I will take one of those jump rings and I will open the jump ring with the jump ring opener and the chain nose pliers, like this, and I will put the jump ring through the chandelier, and I will also attach the eye pin on this jump ring. Now I will close the jump ring, this way, and I will take the turquoise bead, then I will insert the metal bead, and I will also put a coral bead like this on the chandelier. Now I will take the chain nose pliers and bend to 90 degrees the pin. I will make sure to leave about 1 millimeter here between the bead and the place where I bend, so that the bead does not break, like this. As you can see, I have bent the pin, and now I will take the round nose pliers, so the one that is rounded here, grab the end of the pin like this, and I will start creating a loop here with the round nose pliers, this way. And before I close the loop, I will take the fishhook ear wire and put the fishhook ear wire on my loop, and now I can close the loop. Like this. And as you can see, I have created the upper part of my earring. And now I will attach the charms, the metal charms, to the chandelier. So in order to attach those metal charms, on these eye pins, I will put, on the first eye pin, I will put a bead like this, and now I will grab the pin like this with the chain nose pliers. I will leave about a millimeter away from the pin, and I will bend the pin to 90 degrees. Like this. As you can see, I have bent the pin to 90 degrees, and now I will grab the round nose pliers and create a loop. And before I close the loop, I will take one of those charms and put the charm on the loop I have created, and now I can close the loop. Like this. And as you can see here, I have attached the charm to my bead. Now I will take a jump ring and open the jump ring. And on the jump ring I will put the bead and the charm, and I will put the jump ring through the chandelier like this. And now I will close the jump ring. Like this. And I have attached the first charm to the chandelier. Now let's continue by attaching the next bead to the chandelier. I'll put the next bead on the pin, on the eye pin, and I will grab the eye pin with the pliers so that it does not move. And I will start bending the pin to 90 degrees. Like this. I have bent the jump ring to 90 degrees. And I will create the loop. And before I close this loop, I attach the next charm. And now I have also attached the second charm to the bead and to the eye pin. And I will take a jump ring, and with the jump ring so first of all I will open the jump ring, I will put the eye pin through the jump ring, like this, and the jump ring through the chandelier, and I close the jump ring. And now I have attached the second charm to the chandelier, and the last step is to attach the last bead to the charm and then to the chandelier. Again, I take the eye pin, I put the bead on the eye pin, I bend the eye pin to 90 degrees, like this, and I start making the loop. I put the charm on the loop, and now I can close the loop. I have closed the loop like this, and we have the bead and the charm here. I will take another jump ring, I'll open the jump ring like this, I'll put the bead and the charm on my jump ring, and I'll take the jump ring through the chandelier like this, and the last step is to close this jump ring this way, and the earring is ready. So this is our first ethnic earring, Bohemian earring. All we have to do is repeat the same steps to create the second earring. So let's continue making the second earring, and we have the pair of earrings ready. And now we have finished the second earring too. So these are what our finished earrings look like. I hope you liked this video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!